Hi all, hi everyone, olá a todos. I want to say that I think astrology is nonsense. I think astrology is made by people who are who try to understand the universe, including Earth, and try create relationships with they seem on the solar system with the lives of people. But that is nonsense. Astrology, I think, is nonsense. If you want to have real understanding about the outside universe, outside outer space, it's astronomy. It's we think if you we want to understand the universe is astronomy, including Earth. But astronomy usually deals with what is outside of Earth. However, we also can apply the knowledge to our technologies like uh, resonance magnetic, the RMA, or I don't know what it's called, when you do a magnetic resonance on our bodies. That was discovery using astronomy. But um, and planets of the solar system have no implications of the lives of people. The gravity and its little effect on the lives of people, almost zero. Basically it's zero. The sun, the only the only object besides Earth that has influence on the Earth is the sun with its energy. Without the sun, there would not be life on Earth. So the sun actually has influence on Earth, but that is the sun. But also the moon has have some influence on Earth with the tides and the light that is reflected from the sun. Um, but I think astrology it's nonsense. And if you want to know about humans, it's psychology, socioscience like sociology, politics, economics, um, philosophy, neuroscience. Um Not sure what else. Basically the things that is with the study of the human brain and uses that and the output of the brain with socioscience. um, I'm not a psychology, but we can learn a great deal about humans about psychology and sociology. But um, uh, but astrology, like all religions in the world and all the pseudoscience and all superstitions, are a part of human history. There were many religions. Uh, I think is there only one kind of astrology, but many astrology people have different opinions about. I think it's my what I know, or what it seems to be. But as, but astrology, all religions, superstitions, and all the other pseudoscience were a part of human history. I think, besides people trying to have control of other people, have a hierarchy of other people, have a higher status and control of other people. I think humans use religions and astrology and and to try to understand how the universe, in particular on Earth, works. How the universe and Earth works, and humans work, because we are a product of the universe. The universe, it's here also on Earth. It's not outside. We are within the universe. We are traveling around the sun on Earth, with Earth, and Earth is in the solar system. We are on the solar system. We are part of the universe. The universe is within us because we are made of atoms, and basically that's it. We are made of atoms, and all the atoms work together. All the physics, the chemistry, and the biology. Basically, biology is a kind of is a type of physics and a type of chemistry, and chemistry is a type of physics based on atoms, and all the atoms work together to produce our bodies, including our human brains, or the brains in general, for other sentient beings. But I think astrology is nonsense. Since I was a kid, I came to realize that astrology was nonsense, and I thought it was foolish to to learn about to read about that. Later, when I was a teenager, I learned more about science and seems more even foolish. However, I'm not a scientist, and I can say every detail why astrology is nonsense, and why the planets, the the electromagnetic radiation from other planets have no influence on the lives of people, and it's no meaning to lives of people. But the radiation of the sun, the the electromagnetic radiation of the sun, has in fact influence our Earth. Without it, there would not be life on Earth, at least as we recognize. Maybe it was life, but it was not the same without the sun. Um, and so I think astrology is nonsense, and we should try people who are in astrology. I understand that might make some sense because people who astrology was built by people, and so you kind of have to make sense to people to because it was built by people. So astrology makes some sense. People also not stupid, and try to they see patterns, they try to come up of a system, but that is basically psychology and sociology embedded in the system of astrology. So I think astrology is nonsense, and you should evolve from that. You should um, if you want to learn about human psychology, or if you want to learn about humans, your own brain, it's psychology and sociology. However, people want to have help on their lives. People try to have help because people struggle, try to understand what is coming ahead, and so they use also astrology to help them in that way. To this will happen. Astrology say this will happen, this will not happen. You should do that. You should not do that. And but they try to make a sense what to do and not what to do, and that is with life experience, and also I don't know. Uh, Science is the body of knowledge and the way of thinking, and 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 to advise what to do and not to do. That maybe it's with ethics, what we should or should not do, but to what to expect and what to do, what will come, that is uncertain. We can you can try to make a predictable world, but is always uncertain what will happen because other people, because of the weather, many other things, human development or human progression. So, but I think astrology is nonsense. As a young kid, I come to realize astrology uh, is nonsense. But people want try to have some guidance to their lives. Um, I think maybe to have a replacement for that is humanism. Humanism, secular humanism, like American Humanist Association or the Canadian Humanists or other humanist organizations around the world, may help people with community, with um, with reason and compassion. We can make a better world. We can make a better world, and with social structure, we can help each other. I'm not a part of any humanist organization, but I like to follow on social media um, uh, humanist organization, and I learn from them what it means to be humanist. And for me, to be humanist is to be vegan, atheist, believes in science, or thinks science is true, use reason, compassion, is environmentalist, and other things that might be. Is is pro democracy, and other things. Uh, is about also community, like I said. So I think astrology is nonsense, and you should try to evolve past that, like we should evolve past all religions, because religions and all the gods were made by people, and so we should try to get away from all the pseudoscience of the world. And however, sometimes science don't know all the answers, and sometimes pseudoscience and some kind of true of that. But most of all, it's all nonsense, to be honest. So that's it. I think astrology is nonsense. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching.